Just speeding up the drive out to the Orange River to kayak. Just getting ready to turn into where we launch our kayaks. Gonna paddle the Great Caloosahatchee Blue Way. Got the kayaks ready. Gonna go kayaking. This is the Orange River launching off of Buckingham and Cemetery Road in Buckingham, Florida, Fort Myers, Florida. That's Buckingham Road right above us. And we got quite a bit of a current taking us. Whoa. Manatee zone. This is the Orange River. This goes into the Caloosahatchee River, but this would take us over to where Manatee Park is, where another launch is for this river. And it's across from the power plant, and during the winter months the manatees like to hang out in the Orange River over by the power plant because it's warmer in the water. But right now the manatees are just kind of everywhere. They might be swimming under us. Hard to say, but we already seen one gator. Definitely staying where it's deeper. Because little inlets like this over here to the right is definitely some gator habitat through there. Look at these pretty flowers. Or no, I guess they're not flowers, they're just, I guess, where the leaves bloom at, but still, that's really pretty. Gator zone, manatee zone. Rum Buckets is a restaurant back that way. Caloosahatchee River is this way. Orange River goes both ways. And we got Slow Please manatees. But we're basically riding on top of the water, so they're probably pretty deep below us, feeding on the grass if they aren't. Getting ready to pass under the Orange River Road. The Orange River Road takes you behind Manatee Park, kind of, and then takes you back around to Palm Beach Boulevard, Florida, Highway 80, and then like right in front of that intersection on the other side of the land is the Caloosahatchee River. But that would be if you would stay on the road. But this river would take us straight to the Caloosahatchee if we keep going. Bamboo. As you can see, yeah, there's not much taming it. It spreads pretty easily, and once it starts growing, there's no stopping it. That's, yeah. It is a strong current. It is a strong current. I'd say that's a gator slide-in right there. Well, just got chased out by a gator. That's what that is straight ahead. It's okay. I'm getting out of there, buddy. I'm getting out of there. But I'm definitely not turning my back on you. Yeah, he's turning back around now and going back. Mean duck. Another mean duck. Hopefully they don't have a nest, because they will come after us. Oh, they're just playing in the water. Oh, look at this one up here. He's like, you stay away from here. Don't worry, I will. Ah, some shade. Yeah, very peaceful and relaxing. Yeah, it's very pretty. Very old. A lot of very old trees. All I can think about is like the Native Americans that used to travel around in their canoes, probably on these rivers, going back and forth. There probably weren't too many houses around at that time, though. It was probably before the New Yorkers inhabited it. Dang, these people got a boat launch and everything. Hello. Hey, how you doing? Good. How are you doing? Good.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
We've gone a mile so far. So I don't know. Manatee Park could be another mile, but I don't really know. I don't think we'll be able to make it to Manatee Park today. I think it's too far.
I think we should stop because I think
We're at 1 mile. Yeah, that is a gator.
yeah. I think I'm ready to turn around.
Okay, that's fine. We've gone a mile.
I've seen too many today. Come on.
Yeah. Because he's like staying close to the grass line. That's all right. We paddled a mile. It's gonna be a mile back upstream. It's gonna start getting really hot here pretty soon. And then the gators are gonna come out more, so. And it's still an alligator mating season right now. Heading back upriver right now. We just saw a gator. It looked pretty territorial. Pretty big too, not trying to mess with it. We got a mile kayak back upstream. And we've already seen like 4 or 5 gators, so I'm sure we'll see some more on the way. But it's gonna start getting hotter and they're gonna start coming out more. They stay in their lane, we stay in our lane. This is their world, but see all them bubbles that I was talking about? Like they keep coming up. They're not just like random bubbles. They're coming up in one spot. Yeah, it's definitely heating up out here. And the thing is, we've seen 4 or 5 gators, but who knows how many we've kayaked past and not even known about. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've kayaked over a couple of them, but they were, you know, deep enough that I didn't hit them or anything. That's one thing that's better about the kayak, I feel like, than the canoe, because the canoe goes deeper. Coming back up on the duckies. Oh, over here to the left, I saw something pop under. But he almost looks like he's swimming to the right, so I would stay maybe to the left. We got chased out of here by a gator earlier, so let's see how this goes. Because I was watching the gator and he kept coming towards me, and then when I left, that's when he kind of turned back and went back the way he was coming. Bubbles to the right, He was like right over here to the right. So I am avoiding over there. There's a gator slide-in right there. Oh yeah, this is prime gator territory. I hope you all enjoyed the kayak on the portion of the Orange River. Coming up next, there's going to be a solo camping trip. Have a great day. Subscribe and like.